Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 7. This week we'll be looking at kind of focus group data and qualitative data analysis. So how do we get to this point? So consider your project. If you're doing a project that involves qualitative data, where you're doing interviews or you're doing focus groups or maybe some survey data, depending on what you're collecting for short answers. But essentially, what a focus group is, as we've discussed before, is a group of no more than 6 or 8 people. You have very kind of directed questions. Some may say focus questions. And from those focus questions, what you would do is you would collect the data, then you would transcribe that data, and then you're going to do what we're going to do this week is you would analyze it. So I've posted a couple of videos on how to analyze qualitative data, and specifically some videos on how to analyze focus group data, which I think are really helpful. So I would encourage you to kind of watch through those and see how they do this. But essentially what it is it's a giant data reduction process. So you're going to take the data, in this case, the narrative data from the different focus groups, and you're going to reduce those down into themes. And we've done this before and had discussions on this before. We're going to reduce these down into specific themes. Now, keep in mind, at this stage in our analysis, we want to make sure that our analysis is not the world according to Tom or the world according to whoever. It's that you can actually defend what your findings are. And defense in this case is using the actual text and the words from the participants to back up what your theme is. So you're going to look at focus group data from TANF recipients and some of the challenges as it relates to accessing TANF. And I would just consider when you come up with a theme, what you see is maybe some of a challenge for accessing TANF. Be sure to use the quotes from the participants to kind of link that to the theme that you came up with. These were done, I don't know, probably 5 years ago, maybe longer. And I'd be interested when we're back together what your thoughts are and how these were facilitated by the moderator. But that's a different conversation. So you're going to take the data, you're going to read through the data, you're going to make some determinations on what you see as themes in terms of barriers as they relate to access to TANF. And any other themes that you might see in there, and you're going to post it to the discussion question. So I look forward to reading what you come up with. Thank you.